to my vlog. Say hello. This is Phil.
Hello, everybody.
11 years of friendship with this guy. Yes, we're going to Disneyland tomorrow, but I decided spontaneously we're going to the beach because look at this beautifulness. Look at this. And then we get like the pineapples. And look at this. The beautiful, beautiful Heather. And then there's my cute little cousin. Look at her. I love Oregon, but running in the beach is my favorite thing in the world. We're in Cairns right now. It is so cold in here, like it's ridiculous.
Her and her sandy toes.
Hi guys, coming from the future. I didn't do an outro, so I'm doing one now. I hope you guys really enjoyed that video. I got to LA on Saturday at 5 p.m. so I ate In-N-Out with Philip, and our GPS actually got us lost, so then we ended up finally getting there. So I got there kind of late, and then I spent the night at a friend's house, and then after that I spent the night at my cousin's house, and not my little cousin but my other cousin, and so that was when I hung out. And on Sunday I went and hung out with Daisy. I didn't really record a lot with Daisy other than me going to the ice cream shop with her. Because I was just really in the moment and I was hanging out with her. But we went to church, we went out to eat, and then we went to that really cool dessert place. And then I actually forgot that the Chick-fil-A day was on day 3 because me and Jazzy had hung out twice during this trip. So we did hang out on Sunday and we watched one of our favorite movies, which is Bridesmaids, and we ate McDonald's, and we I am going to probably go more in depth in a different video about this, but I went and got my parents' things, and I shipped them. Did not record that, obviously, for just like emotional purposes, and I just kind of want to separately talk about that. And then I ended up going to the beach with my little cousin on that Monday, and it was so much fun. I had a great time. So as you heard, the Disney vlog will be up right after this one. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I only put a couple clips in there, but that's because I was just having so much fun with my family. There's certain things where I kept private. That's because I just wanted to spend as much time with my family as possible. But I did film, and I feel like this time it was a really good balance of spending time with my family and friends and also filming at the same time. So if I didn't film certain things, it's because I was really living in the moment. And not that when I don't film I'm not living in the moment, but I just feel like sometimes I just really want to enjoy and grasp what I'm taking in. So yeah, but I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope that you guys will check out the Disney vlog that comes on after. So I hope you have a blessed and great day, night, whatever time you are watching this, and I will see you in the next video.